Can you show Mommy how to eat your cereal? Let's see. Oh, you got a whole bunch there. Good boy. Good boy. You got a little something. There you go. Now you have 2 in there though. Be careful. Yeah, you got a few on your hand too. Spread them out. Spread them out. You gonna have another one? You got some on your hand there. They're not on your thumb though. Wet your thumb. Stick it in there. Oh good. Get it off your fingers. Okay, let's see. There, you got one. You got it. Good. Good work, honey. Yeah. You're so smart. Show us one more time. Got it on your thumb. Right in the mouth. So good.